channel. I will walk through the step-by-step process of studying in United States. Studying abroad can be confusing if you do not know where to start. When I was planning to studying in US, I felt the same way. So I thought to make a video that might help many of the people who were facing the same situation like I was facing. So in this video, I will tell you the step-by-step process, like what you have to do first and second and so on. So roadmap to USA. The first step you need to follow is GRE. GRE is a graduate record examination which is a total of 340 marks. In GRE there are three sections: the verbal reasoning, quant reasoning and analytical writings. Verbal is of 170 marks, the quant is same of 170 marks, but the analytical writing score is not included in 340 marks. So it's a scale of 6. In verbal reasoning, you have to score at least a good marks, which is score somewhere between 155 to 160 or above that. But in quantitative you have to more focused on quantitative, because quant is a very familiar to us since our past years of education. So you have to score a very good marks somewhere between a 160 or 160 or 165 in quantitative reasoning, because it's a very familiar. But in verbal it's not the same. English is not our native language, so we might face some difficulties while preparing for verbal. In AWA, which is called essay writing, commonly we say essay writing, it's a scale of 6. In essay writing, scoring 3 is considered as a good score, or above 3 marks is considered as a good score in AWA or in analytical writings. But below 3, it's considered as a poor score. Like many of the universities in USA do not consider your application if you have a 2.5 marks in AWA. So please be focused on this section also, because it's play a very important role in your whole application. So please make sure that you can perform a very well in this section. Preparing time for GRE, somewhere between 1 month to 3 months, not less than 3 months, not more than 3 months, because this time duration is considered as a good time, or you can prepare a very good logics in this time duration. So please give your at least 1 month or maximum 3 months in preparing for GRE. And if you want me to tell you the online website from where you can prepare GRE, so you can comment down below, so I will give you a link of that website, so where from where you can study online of GRE. The second step is TOEFL. The TOEFL is a 120 marks. There are 4 sections in TOEFL: reading, listening, speaking and writing. All the 4 sections of 30 marks, which is in total of 120. If you are good in reading, so please try to score at least 30 marks in reading. If you're good in listening, so try to score 30 marks in listening, and so on with the same with speaking and writing. In my case, I was not that much good in speaking, because English is not our native language, so and our accent and their accent doesn't match. So if you are not good in speaking, so try to make changes in you, and try to focus on speaking, so that you can score good marks in speaking. You have to score at least 23 to 25 marks in all section, because many of the university considered some time set some criteria of scoring scores of to 22 or 23. So try to score above this score, so then you will have to admitted in good university. And TOEFL is a English test, so it is mandatory in US and Canada as well. So please be honest in GRE and TOEFL. Give your time, make a very good schedule, follow that schedule and give your exam. Time duration of TOEFL is max of 2 months or minimum of 1 month. So please be prepared. If you are preparing GRE, then as well as prepare for time, make time for TOEFL also, because you do not have that much time. Like once you give your 3 months in GRE and then your two months in TOEFL, so you, in a total of 5 months, you do not have that much time to give in this exam of 5 months. It's a very big time. So try to prepare the both exams simultaneously. Once you're done with your GRE and TOEFL, after you give your exam, you will receive your result after 15 days. Then research applying in university. Please try to apply 4 to 5 or 3 to 4 universities. Just try to check, try to apply universities according to your GRE and TOEFL exam. Um, and then check university tuition fee and living expenses. Tuition fee and living expenses plays an important role in your study, so please be more focused on it. And check university ranking and acceptance rate. University ranking is a very important, and acceptance rate is also very important. Like if your university is accepting everyone's application, then your visa acceptance rate would be less. If your university's acceptance rate is very tough, like you are I mean, you can say that your university acceptance rate is very low, but the low the university acceptance rate, the high the visa acceptance rate. I mean, it's a reciprocal thing. So please research that too. Try to apply early as possible. University follows a system like first come and first serve. The early you apply, the early you will admitted, and the whole process you will early you will apply it, all the other rest of the things. Like there are so many things after you admitted in university. So please try to apply as early as possible. Admission requirements. GPA, your GPA should be 3 on the scale of 4 of USA. So GPA is a total credit score which you in your bachelor's or which last degree you attempt. So it's a total of 3 or above 3. Many university considered 2.75, 2.95 GPA score also. They accept application with this GPA score, but most of the university consider 3.0 as a good GPA, and your application should, chances of accepting your application would be high. So if you do not know how to calculate your GPA, so please comment down below. I will give you a link so you can calculate with that. Letter of recommendation. Letter of recommendation. If you do not know what's letter of recommendation, so please just Google it and you will come to know that what's that. Statement of purpose. Statement of purpose is plays a very important role in your student application. Like you have to mention all your strength, the past, in past degree what you have done, that make you a different student, or make a different candidate from other. Try to mention every good thing, every achievement about you. If you do not know the theme of statement of purpose, please Google it and just make your statement of purpose with that theme. So Google it, statement of purpose, and try to give time to make a very good and impressive statement of purpose. After admitted in university, once you admitted in universities, like if you applied 3 to 4 university, you will definitely get 2 or 3 admit letters from university. So try to choose one out of the best, the one which university is best. Just choose one best university and accept their admission. Then apply for I-20. I-20 is a document which is useful, which is a very important document which use in our visa application. So try to apply I-20 as soon as possible once you admitted in university. Please give your correct personal information, or whatever information they ask you. Just try to apply, just try to fill with honesty. Like give every true information for your I-20, because they might not be changed after once it released. So please make sure to give that true information. After your I-20, once you submitted your I-20, you will get I-20 within a month, or after a two months, or after a 3 months. It's depend on your university that how fastly they process your I-20. So once you receive your I-20, pay service fee, which is of $350. Service fee is a mandatory for every student who is planning to study in US. You have to pay service fee. So um if you do not know that from where we have to pay service fee, comment down below. I will give you a link so you can pay your service fee through that link. Once you pay your service fee, then only you will be able to book your visa appointment. Visa appointment can be a very it's play a very important role. Like many of the students visa got rejected and they applied 2 3 times. So please make sure you can apply for visa as early as you can. Like there should be a one month or 1.5 months time difference between your start session or your visa interview. So please make sure do things very wisely. Do not hustle everything which can make trouble in your future. So if you have any doubt related to these all topics, or if I'm not covered anything in it, or if you still have that doubt, you can comment down below. I will help you if I know that. Or you can share this video with your friends who is still confused about the process and step by step things. So you can share this video with your friends. Or if you still not subscribe my channel, so please guys subscribe it and like it if you find this valuable knowledge. And thank you so much for watching my video, and bye bye.